Hi goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'll be making some cornbread, and as you can see here, I already have my dry ingredients. So in this bowl I have I'm making 3 batches, but for a single batch I'm going to give you the ingredients for a single batch. So that would be 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal, which is 255 grams, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, which is 90 grams, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 30 grams. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And for the wet ingredients, I'll be using 1.5 cup of whole milk. I use coconut milk because I love the flavor. 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So that's gonna be the ingredients for our cornbread. So as you can see here, I already have all of my dry ingredients. I'm just combining this, and I'm going to add the wet ingredients, which is the eggs, the oil, the melted butter, and then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees. Okay, my peeps, so I've added the eggs. As I said, I am adding quite a bit of eggs to this ingredients because I'm making more than one batch. But for a single batch, a nice small cornbread, it's 2 eggs. So I've added 6 here, and I'm adding my coconut milk. And again, you can use whole milk. And for a single batch is 1.5 cups for a single batch. Okay, so that's 3 cans of coconut milk for me, and I'm going to be adding my melted butter, which is 1/4 cup for a single batch, but I'm gonna have to add more than the 1/4 cup for this batch. So that's my melted butter, and then I'm going to add the oil, and then we're going to combine everything together, put it in our baking tin, and bake it at 350 degrees. Okay, lovelies, so this is the consistency that you want to have for your cornbread. Beautiful consistency. And can you see that? Okay, and what we're going to do now, we're going to just pour our cornbread in our baking tin, and I greased it with some butter or margarine works, but make sure that you put a lot of butter because we want that nice crispy edge. Okay, all right, so let's transfer this to the baking tin and then into our oven. Stay tuned for the final result. You want to see how this cornbread comes out. Okay, so here it is, guys, ready for the oven. Stay tuned. Okay, goodies, so this is it. The cornbread is ready. Look at that beauty and the crisp around the edges. This is like my favorite part. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush this with some butter while it's hot. So I brushed it with the butter. My gosh, it looks so beautiful. That cornbread is to die for. Let me know if you will try this cornbread recipe, goodies. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, God walk with you.